I think having studying an undergraduate here, it almost felt like a natural progression to continue to do the Masters. I felt like my studying wasn't finished at an undergraduate level and I really wanted to be able to advance what I already know. And I think I really liked the fact that there's a lot of opportunities to engage with the Welsh language in Cardiff Uni, which is something that I feel really passionate about. So during my postgraduate study, we did a module called Decolonising the Present, and we looked at the use of museums in the colonial era. And so I was really interested in analysing this during a neoliberal era. So my dissertation topic is on the Grand Egyptian Museum and how the state uses heritage nationalism and ideas of stability through the museum to convey a sense of national pride and to consolidate authoritarian rule. Egypt's always been something that's close to home for me. I'm half Egyptian, so I thought it'd be a really good case study. I really enjoy being able to discuss and study an array of different topics and learn about a lot of different perspectives. I think the school really pushes you to think beyond your traditional ways of thinking, which can be really interesting and really useful when interpreting global issues or even reading things like everyday news. I think Cardiff offers a really nice space to discuss international relations and to learn about it. I think you can be interested in a lot of different things and there's always someone who will specialise in that. Even if you're interested in Welsh politics, there's a lot of different modules and different staff that can support that. I think studying a postgraduate here has definitely changed the trajectory of what future career path I'll be going down. I think for me, seeing staff actively contribute to academic debates and discussions in international relations has been very inspiring and has made me believe that I would be able to contribute to something if I did want to go into academia. I think for me, Cardiff has got a really familial feeling and it's a very welcoming city. There's so many different people from different backgrounds with different interests, and I feel like people are always ready to have a chat.